Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make vegetable sauce. I'm going to show you guys what I make vegetable sauce. I have my paprika, this is mushroom, you can see carrot, broccoli. I have 2 peppers, maybe I will use 1, onions, tomatoes. I have premium, it's like onions, a leaf. I have this also, I don't really know. Get it brown now. I'm just going to remove it now. Now remove it. Then I will add the oil again. Then I will put the chicken flakes, the chicken breast. I have to stir it. You can as well spring the aroma season inside. Keep stirring it. You keep stirring, turn it. Now I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove it in the oil. And then I'm going to keep this water, it turn to water. I'm going to keep it aside because you know vegetables, it bring a lot of water. Maybe I may use it, maybe not. That's why I decided to do it separate so that it cannot be too much water in the vegetables. Now I have my pan in the fire, the stove. Go to add oil. I have a new pan, fresh one. Add the oil. What I will do first, I will add my garlic. Add garlic. Garlic, then I will put the onions, at the same time pepper. I will give it a stir. I will turn it. Leave it to cook. Then I will add tomatoes. And I will turn it. Just turn it for, let's say, 5 minutes for the tomatoes to cook. Little bit much. Okay guys, then I do a look. Then This is my vegetables. All the vegetables I cut. I'm going to add all at the same time. The broccoli, the paprika, the carrots. Also add all at the same time. And I'll keep stirring it. So keep stirring it, keep turning it. I also have the remaining vegetables, the onions leaf, and mushroom, and this one I don't really know. I'm going to add all together. Then I will turn it all together. And turn it all together. Then I keep turning it. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. You see what I mean? Vegetable brings a lot of water. Then what I will do now, I have this leaf. I like to use it. It brings good, very aroma inside. Putting it. You can also use the leaf to cook stew, jollof rice, fried rice. Now I'm adding my aroma seasoning. Then I'm adding my curry powder, the curry powder. I'm adding the curry powder. At the same time, I'm also sprinkling the salt, the putty salt, so that they will all cook together. Okay guys, got to turn it all. You see the leaf? Look at it. Look at the way the vegetables are so beautiful and yummy. Wow. It's cooking. Look at the color, eh? Look at the beautiful of the food or the sauce. Look at the beautiful it brings with all-purpose vegetables. Okay guys, what I will do now, I will be adding my chicken flakes. You can also call it chicken breast. Keep stirring it. I will turn it all together. Look at the color. So yummy. I feel like eating it when it's not ready yet. Then I will add my shrimps. This is my shrimps. I will add it together. And I will keep turning it in. I have to check it if it's salt and the seasoning is okay, because it's almost getting ready. I don't like it. I don't like when it's done too much. I'm going to eat mine with rice. I'm cooking rice also. It's almost ready. Okay guys, I just need to check the rice if it's dry. Okay, I like to cook my rice with pan, not a rice cooker. Then I will keep turning this one. You see, you're almost done. I'm going to eat mine with rice. You can as well eat it with cooked potato. You can also use it to eat spaghetti, anything like ora plantain. You can cook ora plantain, even yam. You can use it for everything. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to check it up if the salt and the seasoning is okay. Then I will off the stove. I will off the gas. Okay, it's ready now. Everything is okay. Okay guys, it's ready to dish now. It's ready to dish. This is my vegetable sauce. I'm going to enjoy mine with rice. Okay guys. Okay guys, this is my rice. It's already in the bowl, in the plate, and this is the sauce. I'm going to take it some and put it around. I don't want to be too much watery in the rice. I'm taking it up. This is my rice. I'm going to enjoy myself. Oh. This is the rice and vegetables together. My strings around. I put it here. Okay guys, this is the finishing of the vegetable sauce. This is the finishing of it. Okay guys, stay tuned. Sorry, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now. I'm going to dish myself. Yummy. Okay guys, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Stay blessed. Bye.